Hey guys, Menchi here. Today I'm going to show you a track in a progressive trance style. Let me show you. Let's listen to this track, this whole track. It's something like a radio edit, something like 3 minutes or so, and then I'll show you what samples, what instruments I used in this track. So let's go. Okay, something like that. Let me show you what I use in this track. Let's start with the rhythm. It's the kick. Also, I added toms. And then we have right. Also we have heads. Sounds like that. Let me show you the bass line. The bass line is most important thing in the progressive trance, and I tried to make it more interesting. Let me show you. So I used a lot of basses. Here is this sub bass. It's just a one note melody, something like that. But the most interesting is mid bass. It consists with three layers. Something like that. Also I added one shots, something like that. By the way, I used Vengeance one-shot basses, but I made a reverse of it, and I made something like envelope for this one-shot. By the way, you can easily use these one-shots in your basses. Then I used something like chops, and I have a reverse here. Yes, something like that. Then we have the plug, and we have main melody. It's a plug for the breakdown and for the drop, and we have a main lead sound. Sounds like that. I have something like a very atmospheric arpeggio sound. It's something like this arpeggio is rising to the top, something like that. Sounds really cool. It's something like a bells or something, and I decided to make this arpeggio sound. Then we have Anjuna pad. Also we have other pads. Sounds really atmospheric. Then we have this pad on the build up. It's sort of like a gate pad. Then we have this cool arpeggio, something like bell. Yeah, sounds really cool. By the way, I made it, I used delay to make this effect. It has a really long and cool tail and gives to the track a really cool atmosphere. Here I decided to use another arpeggio. Yeah, and we have raise bass. Also we have piano. It's very minor chords. It sounds a bit sad, but progressive trance, the most of tracks sounds really sad. That's why I decided to make this sad harmony. Then we have atmospheric effect. Also we have vocals.
Hear me, I'm calling.
It's something like from the Trance pack. I don't remember exactly how it called, but I leave the link on description how I found it. It seems I downloaded it from Splice. I'll leave a link. And here we have textures, but I used the gross bit to make it more interesting. And these textures, vocals and Reese bass sounds really cool together. Then we have snare roll. Yeah, we have effects, other effects, something like down lifter, riser, and of course we have a reverse crash, just simple riser, and impact, and we have something like a down lifter for the beginning of the breakdown. So here's a track I made in a progressive trance style. It's something like in a style of my other alias called Dennis Sander, if you don't know about it. Yeah, you can easily find this project in the description. I'll upload it on Patreon page. Maybe you want to change something, maybe you want to learn how to make a track like that. You can easily find the link in the description and download it from my Patreon page, and maybe make a progressive trance track by your own. Feel free to do it right now. So Menche was here. Bye bye guys.